Parkdale High Park.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. 36 years ago this week, the world watched in horror as peaceful democracy activists in Tiananmen Square were met with tanks and gunfire. Less known, but deeply remembered by many of my constituents, is that Tibetans have for decades been met with brutal repression as they assert their basic rights to freedom and dignity. Today, that includes a more recent horror: colonial-style boarding schools run by the Chinese government that house approximately 1 million Tibetan children. A new report by the Tibet Action Institute shares how these schools now separate children as young as 4 years old from their parents, stripping Tibetan children of their religion and mother tongue, threatening to destroy Tibetan culture in China. In recent weeks, I've met with the Sikyong, or leader of the Tibetan government in exile, and several other Tibetan human rights groups, guided by His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Their unwavering commitment to self-determination for Tibet, to justice, and to cultural survival in a non-violent way is deeply inspiring. Madam Speaker, I'm proud to represent the resilient Tibetan community of Taiaiako'n Parkdale High Park, together with the community represented by my colleague, the member for Etobicoke Lakeshore, the largest population of Tibetans and Tibetan Canadians in North America. To them, we say, we see you, we hear you, we stand by you.
The Honourable Member for York and Melville.